How to stop photo syncing from iPhone to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Tap on See All beside Save to iCloud. You can manage how apps and features on this iPhone sync to iCloud over here. Then, tap on iCloud Photos. And then, turn off the Sync This iPhone feature as shown. When syncing is off, your photo library is included in your device backup. After that, go to the Albums section and turn off Shared Albums switch. Tap on OK to confirm. Turning off shared albums will delete all shared photos from your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily stop photo syncing from iPhone to iPhone.